Who's looking for a completely updated ranch in hot Beechwood Hills? Renovated from top to bottom just last year, this beauty is sure to please. The curb appeal will get you in the door, but once inside, you'll appreciate the open floor plan, the gleaming hardwood floors throughout, the tons of natural light from the huge picture window at the front of the house, as well as the sliding glass doors at the rear of the house. Quartzite countertops, huge farmhouse sink, designer light fixtures, and spacious laundry room are a few extra features you'll enjoy. Out the back is a lovely patio that overlooks a nicely sized fenced-in yard complete with garden boxes and the most adorable chicken house. Additionally, there is a 2-car garage with extra storage rooms and access to the backyard. New in 2020 roof, HVAC, hot water heater, appliances. The icing on the cake is its location, as it is tucked into the neighborhood, but just a minute's drive to the conveniences of Alps Road and beyond. Showings to begin on Saturday, December 18th at 1 o'clock.